What's up, sports fans? We hear there's a big game coming up. It's the one with the name we can't say for legal reasons, which means it's time for another recipe showdown, keto style. We picked 5 snacky favorites that are perfect for game day, and we're putting them head to head. Both keto and non-keto people are going to taste test and rank these bad boys and let you know which one comes out on top. Let's go!
My only hang up about this right off the bat is I don't like peanut butter, but I'm gonna take one for the team.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
There's the sign of a true champion.
Yeah, you gotta love it. Playing through the trenches.
It smells like chocolate.
It smells like peanut butter.
I've had these before.
I've had these.
It's actually one of the recipes I always recommend to people.
It's a pork rind in there.
I actually, full disclosure, make these all the time because I love Tiffany's recipe.
The crunch is amazing. Mm-hmm. I do like the crunch.
Sweet. It's salty.
Yeah. Doesn't taste keto to me.
Keto or non-keto, I think, right?
For sure.
Really good.
If you could give this a 1 out of 10 rating, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best.
I'd give it like an 8.5. I think it's pretty good.
Yep. I'm gonna give it a 9 just because I prefer mine a little more chocolatey.
I'm gonna say 7 out of 10.
I'm gonna give it an 8. An 8. On a scale, I'm gonna knock down the points on this one just because it's made with peanut butter. So I might give it maybe a 6.
Okay. Man, I feel like I'm gonna give it a 9.
Oh, wow.
I didn't mean to give it a 9.
Wow.
But it's really good.
Well, right off the bat, it doesn't look like a pretzel.
It doesn't smell like anything.
It smells like dog food.
That is a very bready flavor.
It doesn't taste like anything either.
I was thinking muffin kind of at first, but it definitely has more of a pretzel texture.
And pretzel taste.
It's garlicky, it's oniony, so if you like that kind of,
Yeah.
there's a lot of flavor with the cheese.
The flavor reminds me of like a cheese ball,
Ooh, yeah.
but like soft. Which is always my complaint about cheese.
Is they're too hard?
Yeah, like
and
the
they break
cheese
your
ball-
crackers.
Yes, the cheese ball breaks your crackers.
This is perfect.
The pretzel bites, I'll give a 6.
Okay.
Not bad. The pretzel bites together with the beer cheese, I'll give an 8. Really good together.
The pretzel bite, for what it is, I would still give it a 7 or an 8. Beer cheese, is that what they said it was?
Beer cheese,
Beer
yeah.
cheese? Yeah.
It's
I'd
good.
give that an 8.
Yeah.
Really tasty.
I give it like an 8 overall.
Yeah.
Tastes really good.
I think I'm more used to the keto breads and flavoring, so I love it. I'm giving it a 10 for sure.
Cheese, I'm gonna give a 9 out of 10. This, I'm gonna give a 7 out of 10 because it's like, it doesn't look like much. It doesn't have the texture of very much, but the taste is there. It kind of like hints at a soft pretzel.
Cheese, 9 out of 10. Cheese is really good. This, I can see that it's trying to be a pretzel. I'm giving it a 2. I don't like it.
I'm not upset about it at all.
Pretty harsh criticism from this one here.
Boy, I'll say, most pretzels are just a vehicle for the cheese anyway.
You said it, especially when that cheese is as good as they say it is.
It smells like CheezIts. They look like crackers. They're a little soft.
I expect a little more of a crunch,
I did expect crunch.
but
Flavor is really good.
flavor is really good. I agree.
It tastes like a Cheez-It. Slightly chickeny Cheez-It.
You get the chicken flavor.
But it's not an overwhelming
No, it's
flavor,
not.
though.
But it gives it kind of a salty.
Yeah, I
Cracker.
taste cheese.
Yeah,
To me,
cheese
it's
too.
more of a cheese flavor.
Flavor, I would for sure rate 10 out of 10.
You know, I'm unfamiliar with the Silver Wolves.
Same here. I know of the Timber Wolves, Red Wolves, White Wolves, Black Wolves.
Big Bad Wolves.
Right.
I agree. That's really good. And yeah, I would just be like, they're cheesy crackers, cheesy chickeny crackers.
This is a 10 out of 10.
Oh yeah,
You absolutely need this at
I'm
your
calling
next
them out
party.
of 10 too.
I like it. I'm going to give it a 7.
I feel like a 7 is good for that. That's fair. Well,
Yeah, this is usually what I bring to the big game.
yeah.
A big thing of meatballs, so.
how are we
Wait.
supposed to properly sample these with
Oh, they
just
smell good.
one? Come on.
Well,
Come on. Nobody just tries one meatball.
She does make a good point there.
Yeah, I'm surprised the officials only allowed one on their plate.
It does seem like there should be a penalty there.
Oh, they
love
smell
meatballs.
so good. They smell amazing.
There it is. Thank you.
Ah,
Thank you.
there it is.
We're gonna
The
need
play
there
is
we go.
saved.
That's
we
more
go.
like it right there.
That's good. It's kind of it is sweet, but not like overly sweet. I'm not getting sour. Like if you're looking at a traditional sweet and sour, I'm not getting that flavor, but I don't hate it.
With homemade meatballs, you can kind of hold your carbs. The ones you buy, it's hard to find good carb-free meatballs at the store. They always sneak in fillers and things like that you don't want.
They're not fighting with the sauce. The sauce is kind of like the star, which I like that.
It's good for what it is. It didn't wow me. I probably wouldn't come back for more, and I think some might call it bland.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a 5. I didn't love it, but I don't hate it.
I'm gonna give it a 6.
Okay.
Definitely a solid 9 for me.
I'd probably go an 8.
I love that sauce.
Sauce is good. Meatball's good.
Yeah.
I'm going to give it a 8.5 out of 10.
Yeah? I'm going 9.5.
I would say like one of the must-haves at any football party. Like
wings.
The chips and dip,
For sure.
wings for sure, and like you have to have something like sweet to balance it all out. So like I feel like I've never been to a football party without wings. Yeah, these are really hot. I might have to wait a second. We're gonna cut this part where we're like fighting with the flaming hot wings. Holy cow.
Okay.
I like my wings hot, so this definitely satisfies that spicy. It's not overpowering by any means.
Oh, this is so good. It might be a little spicy for some.
A little bit spicy. Yeah?
This has a nice kick
Yeah.
after the fact. I'm like, oh, now I'm getting a little warm. It's all right.
Kind of have your average wing sauces, your buffalo, your
Yeah.
barbecue, that type of
You always
stuff.
get the sweet barbecue.
This one's
and
fun. This one adds a little bit of flair. Right?
It has,
Are you
yeah.
feeling that?
I'm feeling.
Is it adding some flair for you,
It's adding
Travis?
some flair.
My son would eat wings every meal every day, so I'm gonna have to start trying this recipe for him because he loves the spicy too. It's really good. It's not too spicy though, because I'm kind of a baby with
Right.
spice, but this doesn't send me over the edge. It's really good. There's enough sweet that it evens out.
It's good. I'm gonna eat like six to 10 of these. I'm a 6 to 10 wing kind of guy.
Right.
Dare I say, it's another 10 for me.
Yeah,
This is why I go to football parties. I'm
Yeah.
there for the entrees. I'm there for the meats.
for the wings.
I would absolutely want to make these, eat them, and come back for more.
When there's like an array of wings, because there's usually a bunch of flavors, I'll get like one of each and try them all, and then go back for the ones I liked. And I would definitely come back for this one.
Oh, you hate to see that.
Oh, right you are. Rookie mistake using the same napkin to wipe his face there.
I would say, 9, solid 9. Crisp this up a little bit more, I'd give it a 10. Definitely.
I'm still going to give it a 10. I still really liked it. The cooking technique, I'm not judging. It's the flavor.
I can't quite form my opinion because I don't have enough wings. How can we resolve that? Oh, look it.
Whoa!
How convenient.
Look at that.
Whether you want to watch a game or not.
Yeah, wings
Food.
always help.
Food will get you to any party, right?
They will. And these are really good. These are good wings. And the sauce is good. What's not to like? Again, what's
Right.
not to like? So, I'll give it an 8.
Are you bringing it to your party?
Yep.
Yeah?
I'm bringing it to my party for
He's
sure.
bringing it to his party. I'll bring it to my party.